Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix TikTok Facebook login problem on iPhone. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to open up Facebook. On Facebook, you need to press on basically horizontal lines here. You need to go to settings. So press on the lines, then you need to scroll down until you see settings, settings and privacy. Select settings. Then you need to scroll down until you see, as you can see, apps and apps and websites. Wait for a couple of seconds, then scroll down until you see apps, websites, and games. Press turn off. Turn off, and then turn on again. So this is the first step. Then go back to TikTok, press on the three horizontal lines that is on the top right, and then you need to press settings and privacy here, and you will see these options here. Then you need to scroll down until you see free up space. So free up space, and then you will see cache files. So what you need to do here is to clear cache files, clear it, and wait until it's done. And do the same for the downloads as well. Then you just need to completely close TikTok and Facebook apps, and then try to relaunch TikTok and look if the problem persists after that or not. If it's not working, then open up App Store and press on your profile icon on the top right. Then you need to press on App Updates and press Update All, and it should be it. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.